Hello everyone, I'm MS candidate Hanju Kim. I'm glad to introduce our Electrocatalyst Discovery Lab, EDL Lab. Firstly, I will introduce our Professor Dongyoung briefly. He graduated in Yonsei University and he got his PhD in Seoul National University. He was postdoc appointee in Oregon National Laboratory in US. He's very passionate about research. Since the Industrial Revolution, fossil fuels have been used in a variety of fields, and the technology to refine them has been of great importance in chemical engineering. In the process of converting chemicals, catalysts have been studied very actively in chemical engineering because they decrease activation energy and speed up the chemical reaction we wanted. However, recently, due to environmental problems caused by fossil fuels, the need for the use of renewable energy has emerged. To move into the renewable century, converting electrical energy to chemical energy or vice versa is a key point. An electrocatalysis, which contains electrons in reaction, can facilitate the conversion. So we have to study the electrocatalysis in detail. Electrochemical reaction using electrocatalyst is relatively complicated to deal with because it has to consider not only chemical change but also separation and movement of ions and electrons at the electrode-electrolyte interface. Battery, fuel cell, and water electrolysis are representative examples of electrochemistry, which covers energy conversion and storage between chemical energy and electrical energy. Now, I will tell you about our specific research area. First, we will focus on fundamental electrochemistry for electrochemical interface design. Electrochemical interfacial property controls the transfer rate of interfacial charges and various types of interactions, thereby affecting efficiency of energy conversion and storage. However, in most studies, electrode and electrolyte have been treated separately, disregarding the importance of electrochemical interface, which is electrode-electrolyte interface. This approach can hinder the application of their findings to the electrochemical devices. So, considering that the overall electrochemical performance is entirely determined by how to understand and design an interface, our group tries to elucidate the fundamental electrochemical interface at the atomic level by using various well-controlled methods based on fundamental electrochemistry, surface science, and material science. In detail, we will find out structure and change of electrochemical double layer called EDL and how electrons and ions separate and transport at the interface. Secondly, we conduct in situ analysis for electrochemical interface design. During electrochemical reactions, interface undergoes significant changes such as dynamic electrode reconstruction, which affect the overall electrochemical performance. So, in situ analysis have recently received significant attention. However, the conditions for present in situ analysis system do not represent the actual electrochemical environment, thereby making it difficult to obtain reliable data. Furthermore, proper in situ cell design on the basis of purpose and conditions is required to determine the behavior of a very sensitive surface. So by designing a unique cell suitable for atomic scale behavior analysis at the electrochemical interface, we will accurately identify the correlation of factors affecting electrochemical performance. In addition, we intend to devise a new method to increase the signal-to-noise and decrease the detection limit to reduce the probability for inappropriate data interpretation. Thus, our group pursues the investigation of electrochemical interface issues at atomic level with various types of electrodes from single crystals to nanoparticles in various time frames from a steady state to transient state using proper in situ analysis system. However, we will not only focus on the fundamental understanding. Based on the fundamental understanding of electrochemical interface at atomic and molecular level, our group will also focus on development of energy and environmental application. For example, fuel cell, water electrolysis, liquid organic hydrogen carrier in hydrogen cycle, and electrochemical carbon dioxide conversion and storage in carbon cycle, and energy storage system. In short, our lab's philosophy is application-oriented fundamental model study. We are going to bridge the gap between atomic level fundamental knowledge and actual application system to contribute to real application fields as fundamental scientists. Our lab is located at the KI building 5th floor. This is the end of our lab introduction. If you want to know about our lab more, please contact Professor Jung or come to our homepage. Thank you for listening.